Hello, everyone. Welcome to FDMR.icu, your go-to platform for personalized ringtones. Today, we'll guide you through the process of uploading your own ringtone to our site. Let's get started. As you can see, we are on the home page. To upload your own ringtone, look at the top header section, where you'll find our Upload button. Click on it to kick off the process. After clicking, you'll be directed to our ringtone uploader page. Here, you'll notice a green button that says Choose File to Upload. Go ahead and click on it. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to select the file you want to upload. Locate the file on your device and click to select it. If you wish, FDMR gives you the option to categorize your upload. Click the drop-down menu and choose the category that best fits your file. Once you've made your selections, it's time to initiate the upload. Click the green upload icon to start the process. Now, our front end will work its magic, uploading your ringtone to our server. This might take a bit, so please be patient. We perform various checks before your file is hosted on our server. You can track the progress with the visible progress bar. If successful, an audio player will confirm the upload, preview or use it to create a custom name ringtone. Congratulations! You've successfully uploaded your own ringtone on FDMR.icu. Thanks for watching.